But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives.
Pinasalamatan ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa pagkakadetain sa kanyang ama na si dating Pangulong Duterte sa International Criminal Court sa kanyang pagharap sa media sa The Hague, the Netherlands. Sinabi ni VP Sara na dahil sa pagkakakulong ng kanyang ama sa ICC, nanumbalikan niya ang kanilang relasyon na bilang mag-ama. Anya masa nagkakaroon sila ngayon ng mahabang oras na para makapag-usap ng dating Pangulo hinggil sa mga usaping pampamilya. Nagkaroon na anya sila ng mas mahabang oras na makapag-usap araw-araw lalo na ang mga usaping legal ay ang abogado na ng dating Pangulo ang nagdi-discuss nito kay PRRD. Sinabi pa ni VP Sara na nagkaroon din sila ng pagkakataon ng kanyang ama para sa pagpapatawad sa mga nangyari sa kanila sa nakalipas.
But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work, he was always busy with the country, and now I have this every day with him, talking about life, talking about family.